welcome back to the vlog. If you can see skin peeling above my lip, that is because I have a fatal flaw, and that flaw is that I love men with facial hair. That is just my curse that I have to live with, and that's fine. The bodysuit that I'm wearing, it came in a set of 3 from Amazon. It's the same brand that I get my workout clothes from, so I'm gonna link that 3-pack down in the description box below. First, I have some clips from over the weekend because I did another little solo weekend. I am really into the whole spending time alone thing. I don't know, I feel like I'm in a different phase of my life where I'm outgrowing certain people, certain activities, certain things, and only a few people align with where I'm trying to go and who I'm trying to be. I know as humans we need connection, otherwise we go a little insane. I am just trying to limit my social activities to only things that I want to say yes to, that I'm not doing out of FOMO. I'm not doing it out of my past life. I'm doing it because I feel like it's generally going to make me feel energized when I come back from it. Does that make sense? Long story long, I filmed clips over the weekend. I got a new cat tree for Sybil. Finally, I had that little cactus one and I hated looking at it because green is really not, that was not, does that look like it's in my color palette? No, babes. I found one that just is this color palette right here. I saw it on an Instagram reel and I knew instantly, need it, want it, have to have it, can't live without it. So I replaced Sybil's cat tree and I built it and I vlogged it. You've served your purpose. Bye. Do we remember how I built an entire dresser by my Bob the Builder self? This is confusing me, and this is so much easier. Like, I don't know what mental illness it is, but things just overwhelm me easily. I look at this, I look at the first slide, and I'm like, what? Oh, just kidding. Chronic overwhelm is ADHD, so it is a mental illness. Let's build this bitch. I'm so shaky because all I've had is iced chai. When am I not shaky? Like, let's not even pretend this is new. I use my Bob the Builder judgment and switch to peace, which might be stupid, but I don't give a clearly labeled wrong. And I'm right, they're wrong. They're delicious! Look it. Yes. Give me something. Say babe. There we go, give me something. Stay. Okay, one more time. Gorgeous, yes. That's it. You're a natural born model. Cool. Okay, this was the hottest thing that Tom ever did.
Russian goes for his gun, right? So I don't think he's going to be a problem. And that would leave me and you. Character.
Why is that so hot? Like, get you a man that takes on like 4 guys for you.
Kill me. Not yet.
Back to the present moment. Hi. I also, over the weekend, started the process of making strawberry shortcake ice cream bars, but I saw a reel of a recipe for the dairy-free version of like those strawberry shortcake ice cream bars. I got popsicle molds from Amazon, and then over the weekend I made the actual ice cream bar, and then I put it in the freezer and I let it go overnight. Today, we're going to finish them and do the toppings. Later, I do want to show you guys everything that I've done so far to rehaul my Notion, because I am going to duplicate that dashboard and then all of the pages that I have within my Notion and then make that as a template pack for you guys to purchase in the near future. So I want to show you kind of like what I've done so far. I'm really excited about that. But basically what I'm trying to say with that is that I have a projects database within my Notion. And so I have a couple projects that I'm doing right now. And one of those is the Notion rehaul and template packs. I want to do a complete digital and physical reset of my life to just completely declutter everything. I don't know how to really explain this, but I feel like I am transforming for the rest of this year, because this whole year has been a very growth focused year of my mental health, working on fixing things within my life, within my systems, and just working on things. The rest of the year, I just want to focus on being cozy, enjoying the seasons, and finishing this whole process of shedding things from my life. So, long story long, I am going to be decluttering and doing that in vlogs. So if anyone has to say, oh my God, do you ever Chris, stop decluttering. No, babes, I'm gonna be doing that for as long as it takes to get it done before the end of the year. So if you don't like decluttering and you don't wanna see that, big fat bummer, because I'm gonna be doing it. Right now, I have to do some editing, some emails, and just work on my computer, and then we'll regroup. Little intermish to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace makes it easy to get started by choosing from one of the many templates designed for every category that allows you to customize the look and add in your own content. You do also have the option to design your own template, and this is my website that houses everything relating to my personal brand. A goal of mine is to eventually launch my own online store, and Squarespace already has that feature available to me when I'm ready. So you can sell your products in an online store, whether they're physical, digital, or service products. And speaking of service products, they also have a built-in scheduling feature that lets you create and accept appointments through your website. The scheduling function has everything needed to manage your schedule, accept payments, send auto reminders, and showcase your services. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Siena Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. It's much later now. I've just been at my computer all day doing editing, emails, that kind of stuff. I'm going to take the popsicles out of the mold thing. In the recipe, it says that it needs to thaw for a little bit so that the crumble stuff that goes on it can stick better, because otherwise it's not going to stick on it. Maybe I should have put this in a bag first. The lighting is absolutely terrible. Please ignore it. But it is 8 o'clock. I have been at my desk or on my couch this entire day. I have been in a hyper focus on my computer this whole day. So I wanted to show you a sneak peek of like the main dashboard that I made. I redid the whole thing. I'm working on the actual template right now that I'm going to upload and sell. But this is like how I'm redoing mine. Basically, it's all of my databases and formulas and pages and everything that's tied together. It's my stuff just duplicated and made as template versions of that, and I'm also like rehauling it so that we basically are gonna have the same notion. If you purchase this when I do come out with it, I think that's gonna be so fun because I've never put out anything that I've made before to sell. My camera's gonna die, so let me just quick show you a little sneak peek of what I've been doing with the Notion. Obviously, I'm watching Gossip Girl while I'm doing this. This is basically what I have done. I have created so many different databases, and I'm still putting my templates or the pages that I've made into here. So the things that have just the writing need to be created as pages, or they need to be transferred from my Notion to this and duplicated and then fixed to be a template, so there's none of like my stuff in it. And I'm going to make it all example things so that you can fill everything in on your own, and then it'll all go together with the formulas. So even when you change the name to these, it's still going to work with the formulas. That's just, I don't know how that works, but it does. This is what I've done for the dashboard so far. And then there's all of these pages within these categories. So these are all gonna be included in the template pack. There's just so much content that's gonna be in this because in the brand dashboard, for instance, there's just so many pages and databases within that. So it's gonna be a beefy little template pack, and I might make a corresponding video to kind of run through this when I do come out with it. I know that if I would have downloaded something this big, I would not know how to use it. So I will make like a video tutorial, I think, just running through everything to show you how to like get started with it and then implement it. This is what I've been working on alongside emails and editing today. That is pretty much where I'm gonna end the vlog because that is all that I am doing. I will start up the next vlog and see you guys in my next one. Bye.